how to disable the notifications on Lyft. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and tap on the settings icon on your mobile phone, and here go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and search for app notifications. Then tap on app notifications, and here you'll again see a search bar at the top of your screen. Simply tap on it, then type in Lyft. Then tap on the Lyft icon, and here you'll see an option called Show Notifications. Simply toggle the button from right to left, and it is done. Now you will not get any notifications from Lyft, and it is that easy. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.